The sticky rice is cooking. I'm gonna make the Biko, the sticky rice dessert. So I'm just cooking the rice, and then we'll prepare the kind of a caramel with the coconut later. Alright, let's check. Alright, the sticky rice is cooked. Now we're gonna prepare the caramel coconut and sugar. We're gonna open the coconut milk for the syrup of our Biko. So here it is. And there. There you go. Here's the coconut milk. Choco coconut milk. I like this one. Oh, I forgot to shake it, by the way. But by the time you get into it, it's like the cream on top, but really you kind of mix it and it will go back to like a liquidy part. So we're going to use this one. It's only 2 cups the sticky rice, so 1 can should be enough. And yeah, let's pour it in the pan. All right, so let's pour the coconut milk. All right, and then I have here brown sugar.
Let's add 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
There. We'll mix it up, and then all we're gonna do is wait. I like to use, back in the Philippines, we like to use the dark brown, really dark brown sugar, and it looks really good. There you go. So we're just gonna stir it until it gets sticky. All right, I have Biko Pandan. I'm gonna try different. Let's see how it tastes. What's the taste with the Biko Pandan? I'm just gonna do like 4 drops just to give it a little flavor. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh. I don't know what it will taste with the Biko Pandan, but we'll see. All right. Oh, it's almost done. Almost done. It's now stickier. You see this one now? It's almost done. I can actually see the Biko Pandan color. Okay, so let's try to check. You see this one now? It is very sticky. So it is ready. So we're gonna pour our rice back in here and then mix it up. All right, let's try to put it back. Here's the rice, the cooked sticky rice. We're gonna put it back here and mix it up. If I didn't put the pandan, it would have looked brown, like a caramelized brown sugar. But because of the pandan color, so the green color is coming out from the pandan. All right, so let's try to put it and mix it. This is the mixing part of it. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to eat this. All right, so let's check. You see now it's all mixed up. Now look, this pan is perfect for this job, making Biko, because look, it didn't stick at all. I can just move it anytime, look, and it will have a clean bottom of the pan. So here you go. Time for tasting. I'm gonna taste it, see if the sweetness is just fine. Let me taste. That is perfect. All right, so let's transfer the biko into our bowl like that. And I am ready for my coffee and or tea for this. This is delicious. Perfect for something snack during the holiday season. Okay. And that looks so good. Let's put everything in. And there you go. And we're gonna tap it with peanuts. Let's just put it right on top. And that should be ready to be devoured. Pair it up with coffee or tea or even hot cocoa. Oh, that's delicious. I hope you had a great time cooking with me, and if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone, and thank you all for watching.